What's up, guys? Here in the rain with 200-foot waterfall.
Logan, hold this side.
Hiking for a bit. Mom's taking some pictures. It's raining. Worth it. Definitely worth it. So like I said, this is going to be one of the few vlogs. This is going to be vlog number 2. I'll put it out there, vlog number 2, waterfall. Woo! Something like that. It's beautiful. So my dad said the water tables are down. So that's probably why it's not so big. Probably what did all that damage. So we're going to hike a little bit off the beaten path here. And walk on down. And oh, it's bumpy. Gotta go down that.
Be careful, guys. I've already been down here.
Me and my family, we hike a lot, so this definitely isn't going to be a problem. I think. Not so sure, but I've got to work on my vlogging skills. Oh. Steps. Normally this wouldn't be some trouble with me, but first time vlogging doing this, so hopefully I'll vlog on some more trips. But we have that under the bridge. So I'm going to switch the camera around. Well, I can't do that, so I'm just going to try to keep myself in view while we do this. I have to do it with my other hand. Okay. Not easiest thing to do. In the water. So we're under the bridge. A little wobbly. And yeah, it's beautiful. So yeah. I don't know really how to edit videos yet, so this is going to be all my videos so far are full of mistakes, and I mean they're going to be. Like I said, I don't know how to edit, but if you know any good editing techniques, please let me know. I'm not doing that vlog. That thing is very bouncy. Very bouncy. So yeah, this is the waterfall, guys. I'm gonna try to go back now. Try not to drop my phone in the water. It is not waterproof. And turn around and try to walk back. And not die. It's gonna be fun. Thank God for upper body strength. There's this challenge. Alright. I'm gonna try to go under and up on a different way. Oh, my ankles are shaking. This is definitely going to be a feat, especially while logging.
Not that way, not that way. No, you can't come up here. Mom said we can't.
Darn. Okay. Change of plans. Can't do that. Alright. Oh, I trust that bit. Okay, so my body weight swung me. Oh, Jesus. Body weight swung me in the direction it wanted me to go. Not necessarily same directions, but oh, God, I love going up. Better than going down. So much easier. So as you can see, Mom and Dad staying there admiring the waterfall. And so yeah, so that's about it. So bye YouTube. I'll hit you up with another vlog tomorrow. Adios.